Hi friends, let's do an update on my hair growth. I started by spraying my hair every other day and sealing with my homemade hair oil. So I started out with 19 inches and after 2 weeks I gained a half an inch. For the next 2 weeks I would stop using the Amla water and only use my hair growth oil. I noticed that the Amla water is making my hair a little darker than I would like it. Okay, so let's measure this hair. When I tell y'all I was shocked myself. Look at this, y'all. It says 23 inches. And this is my front before. As you can see, I had a little thinning around the hairline. And this is my front now. I feel like I can see new follicles growing in. This is the left side before starting. And this is my left side after 1 month. As you can see, they're finally starting to fill in. Here's my back after the first 2 weeks. And here's the back after 4 weeks. And here's my right side before. And here's the right side after, which has always been my worst side, but I can actually now finally feel some hair growth. I've had thin edges or what some call traction alopecia since early childhood. I've tried almost every hair product on the shelf with no results. So I went down in the kitchen and I created my own. And I finally found success.